some more. Let's go to PJ
Okay,
first.
okay, PJ first. Okay.
What? Don't record me.
Hi guys.
Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Hi. Hey.
We're here now. I brought my homework to do.
We're getting ready.
I'm ready to go meet with the girls.
But yeah, we're getting ready. Her makeup. I don't know what time it is, but they're so cute. Good luck, girls. I know you guys will do great. Just don't be scared and don't be nervous on stage. You guys will do great.
Good luck and do your best. I know you guys will do well. Okay.
Everybody do a good job. I know we're gonna take this.
Good luck to the girls. Good luck to Monet.
We want to wish Nkauj Hmoob Nas Ej the best of luck today. I hope everything goes well and all the girls do good on stage.
Well, I guess I could say something.
I'll make it.
Go on stage and go be some bad. Go enjoy your time dancing on stage, and I believe you girls will make it. Believe it.
Hi guys, my encouraging words are you got this. Kill it on stage. No matter what the outcome is, we'll still be our number one trophy. Stay confident, do our best. When you I hope we rock the stage.